you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Sephora collection Once Upon a Castle Advent Calendar. So this thing is massive, and it even folds out. Oh, let me see if I can do this. And it just folds out and is even more massive than it was to begin with. This thing is huge. So for today's video, I was thinking, why not do an unboxing? There are so many holiday collections, advent calendars launching right now. So it is Christmas in October. It is crazy how early they are launching it. But I was thinking it would be fun to get this video up early because Christmas is coming up, and in case you are thinking about buying, you know, an advent calendar or a couple holiday collections for your friend, your family members, a loved one, yourself, and you want to know if any of these collections are actually worth it, I want to help and be your guide. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of this one, and then hopefully I'm gonna get my hands on a couple other holiday collections and let you guys know ahead of time if they're actually gonna be worth it to splurge on or just purchase for someone else. With that being said, let's jump into Christmas. So this entire castle is $45, and of course, you receive 24 items that come inside of here. So let's get started and find number one, which is actually right down here. The first item in the box is a Sephora Fizzing cube, and it is in the scent Peony, I think it's called. It has 18 grams of product, or 0.63 of an ounce, just in case you're curious about the weight. I was also not able to find this on the US website, but I did find it on the AU website, and I'm sure it's in a couple different places, but each one of these is $2. And this is gonna be one of those that you plop into the bath, and then it's just gonna fizz up and just be all nice and relaxing. Then let's go ahead and find day number two, which is over here. The second item is the Sephora Collection Eye Pencil to Go. It is in the shade Intense Black, and it retails for $6. This one also has a net weight of 0.025 of an ounce, and it glided on really easily. It felt very creamy. It does look very rich in pigment. So this is going to be an exciting one to test out. I have not tested out one of their eyeliner pencils before, but it feels very good. Third item is going to be over here. Third up in the box, we have the Tinted Brow Freeze. This one is in the shade Clear. Here's what it looks like, and it is just a jumbo eyebrow pencil that you're going to use to either shape the brows before you apply any kind of brow powder, gel, anything like that, or to set the brows afterwards. I'm gonna stop saying Sephora Collection in front of it because everything in this box is Sephora Collection, so I'm just gonna jump over that part. But this has a net weight of 0.089 of an ounce, and the price of this little baby is actually $12. It is currently on sale on their website though for $5. I mean, this box is really good if you want to test out a lot of Sephora's collection. Perhaps there's been a few items you've been wanting to test out. And then fourth in the box is right up here. This is the Color Hit Nail Polish in It Girl. It retails for $5 on their website, and it's just so cute and small. Oh my goodness. Oh, and this is just a little topper you just slap on. I was trying to unscrew it. This looks like such a dark, beautiful red. I would love to wear this for Christmas. That is so pretty. What I like about the box so far is that all of these items are on sale on their website. It's not just some mini items that they created specially just to put in this box. So the size of this is 5 milliliters, or 0.16 of an ounce. Call me crazy, I'm gonna paint my pinky just so you guys can kind of see the color. And there she be. Just one coat. Please don't judge my application. I'm not the greatest. But that is such a beautiful shade. Oh man, I love that. I'm going to leave the rest of the nails untouched because I think there's going to be more nail polishes in there. The fifth item in the box is right over here. We then have a lip liner to go pencil. This is the classic red. And there is a quick little swatch of it. It is a very bright red, and it felt very creamy to the touch. It is $6, and it has the same amount of product as the eyeliner to-go pencil, which was 0.025 of an ounce. It was just so creamy. I'll just kind of show you guys again. It just swipes on really easily. I'm just going crazy with it. So if you're trying to line your lips, you're not going to have any difficulty kind of going around with it and it kind of crumbling or getting stuck in areas. Those are the lip pencils I hate. Oh, I have a few of those and I need to toss them because they're not good. And this felt very creamy, so I'm looking forward to using that. Then moving on to number 6. Where are you at? Oh, right over here. Well, we have another Fizzing cube. This one is in cotton flower. So you guys already know the weight and everything from the first one, which I did forget to mention. I said it was $2. They're currently on sale on their website for $1 a piece, just in case you guys want to know that. So now we have 2 bath bombs, or 2 bath fizzies. Then moving on to number 7, which is right over here. And now we have a lip cream. Oh, this looks familiar. Hold on. I think I have the shade. Oh, I do. I just found it. I had bought that Sephora favorites and this shade was in there. I have the little mini version. I'm going to swatch the mini, leave this one alone, and I am going to put this in the basket for giveaways. It's actually a really beautiful shade. I'll show you guys. This is a full-size item. This is their cream lip stain liquid lipstick. And I'm swatching this little tiny one here on the back of my hand next to that lip liner. Here's what the shade looks like. It is number 1. It is a really beautiful red, and you can definitely pair it with that red lip liner that also comes inside of the box. I think the combination of the two, you can tell that they go together 100%. And of course, it being a full-size item, it has 5 milliliters in it, or 0.169 of an ounce. And it is also $14 for the full size. Moving on, number 8. Where are you at? Oh, right up top here. You get 2 Express Eye Makeup Remover wipes. There is 1 in each of these little packets. I am completely unable to find it on their website. I only found a packet of 20 on eBay, which is $12. So I don't know if they stopped selling them or where I can find them, but I don't exactly know the price of these then. These will kind of come in handy on a weekend away if you just need to take one with you just to take off your makeup at night. I haven't tested them out before. I didn't even know Sephora sold makeup wipes. Then let's move on to number 9. Ooh, what are you? This is a sample of one of their body wash. It is in the scent Blueberry. It's this little pod. This is definitely a sample size. It is just a one-time use. You just pop it open and use it. Being honest, these 2 items so far I'm the least excited about. I think I could have probably done without it. Just my opinion. They're just so small and kind of random that I'm just like, alright. So let's move on to number 10. It's up top here. In day 10, you receive 2 instant nail polish remover wipes. Now, this one actually I found online, so they sell 20 counts of these for $8, so that makes these about 40 cents a piece. Ugh, not a peach. I had read before it's white peach extract in it, so that's why I messed that up. But they're 40 cents a piece. So you'll get to test out 2 of these. Then looking for number 11. Which is right down here. Ooh, let's take a guess. Nail polish. Yeah. So here we have another tiny cute little looking egg. It is the Color Hit nail polish. Again, it is $5. This one is in the shade Sugar Coated. So let's open her up. Got another finger waiting. I went ahead and put 1 coat on that finger there. I would describe this nail polish color as kind of clear, more on the milky side. It's just like a little tint to your natural nails. Day number 12 was a nail file. And here is, so you get a little size comparison from the palm of my hand. I believe this is a nail file they created specifically for this little castle. It has those little stars printed on it. So I was not able to find it online with a price or anything like that, but hey, it's a nail file. Then day 13, we got something smaller over here. What? So day 13 has some stickers. Okay. I'm just being totally honest. I could have done without this. Just my opinion there. I think that's a little bit of a random item to put in there. Not much more to say about that one. Let's go to 14. Day 14 has a clear hair tie. Since this is entirely the Sephora collection, I believe it is one of their versions, but I know there's that big brand that creates those ones that are called Invisibobble. There's just one in here and it is clear actually with a little bit of sparkle. These are actually really good hair ties. I have a few and I really enjoy them. They're really easy to kind of wrap up in your hair. It's kind of tangle free. I don't really feel any tight pulling. And if you create a bun, these are perfect to wrap around and secure all the hairs at the top, because sometimes a scrunchie can make a lot of pieces fall out. This is actually really good to hold everything into place. I actually really like those. So that's a good one to get. And if they do get a little bit stretched out, I did see that if you put them in hot water, they shrink back into size. So they will never get stretched out, or if they do, you can fix it. Then day 15, we got, a mini little sticky notepad with the owl on it. These are very cute. I love owls. I have a tattoo of an owl, so I am completely obsessed with them. But I'm kind of like about it being in the box, because I mean, now you have a little sticky pad and some stickers. I feel like those are two kind of like throw in items. So a little bit disappointing in that one with the stickers. We'll keep it going though, and then I'll talk more about all of the items overall at the end. So let's go to number 16. This is the Sephora multi-texture sponge. So it's actually flat. This is $8, or at least I found that on the Australian website. It's kind of perfect. I had just tossed my sponge this morning and I was using brushes. This is kind of interesting to test out. I'm wondering how best to use this. That's gonna be interesting to test out. I'm gonna use this first thing tomorrow. It does feel very soft. I'm gonna run it under water and see if it expands. I ran it under water just now and I didn't really see any size difference afterwards. I don't know, I'll give this one a shot. I will test it tomorrow and then see, but hey, everyone loves a good beauty blender. All right, then moving on to number 17. We then have one charcoal nose strip. This one is just a 1 count and it is $3. I actually really enjoy the nose strips. I have a ton of the Biore ones. I like to use those when I feel like my nose and my chin are just kind of out of control. That is one of the areas in which I get the most blackheads. Then number 18, we're getting close now to the end. Where are you at? Oh, right up here up top. You then receive one single eyeshadow. And I swatched it right down here. It is the shade number 207, Lazy Afternoon. This one is a full-size item of 1.2 grams or 0.042 of an ounce. And it retails for $8. It looks like they went for a very safe choice. It's just a kind of matte cream shade, which you could either use to set the entire lid or just use as a very light shade to kind of pop on as the all over the lid color. And then on the 19th day, you get a colorful face blush. This is the shade number 1, Shame on You. I went ahead and swatched it right down there. That is actually a really beautiful shade. It is a matte blush, and it's just this very pretty, soft pink shade. The only thing is this contact is so difficult to open. In this palette, it does also come with a tiny little mirror, and it is a full-size item, so it is $14. And the net weight is 3.5 grams or 0.12 of an ounce. I just like to give you guys the sizes just so you know what you're getting. Day 20 has with the same kind of little owl design. It's one of these little kind of pocket mirrors, purse mirrors, whatever you want to call it. So has one of these inside. It is a very good little mirror, but if I were to take a tiny little mirror like this in my purse, I like ones that you have something that kind of fold over because otherwise it's just gonna get so dirty really fast. I mean, there's stuff in your purse all the time, stuff in your pocket, you know, lint, and then you're gonna have to constantly keep wiping it. So that's my only thing about it. It is very cute though. Little owl on there. Then just a few more to go. Number 21 right over here. Looks like we're getting a complete set of these little bath fizzes, and now we got the scent Cherry Blossom. So now we have a grand total of 3 of these little bath fizzes, all in different scents. So day 22 now. Ooh, I am excited about this one, I can already tell. This is one of the Sephora lipsticks. This is number 9 Labyrinth City. It actually has it engraved inside the lipstick. It says #matte. And oh my gosh, that swatched like a dream. It was so creamy. It just glided on. And such a beautiful shade too. I have this liquid lipstick on, but I'm kind of wondering, I think I could make this one work too. I couldn't help myself. I wiped off that really purple lipstick that I had, and I'm gonna pop this on and just see how it looks. That purple is very stubborn though, so it's still in some areas. So we'll see how this goes on. Just look at it though, it just glides on. Here we have it, shade number 9. That is really gorgeous. I love the way that looks on the lips. I've been really wanting to test out one of their new lipsticks. I know it just came out, I think it was last year, and they launched with a ton of shades. I'm happy that they decided to put a matte one in there. It's not too matte where it just feels very stiff. It is very creamy. It's just gonna leave a kind of a matte finish where it's not too shiny. I'm very happy they decided to put the shade in here. I think it's a gorgeous color, and even though it says it's a matte, it's not like the typical matte where it's a lot stiffer and it's just no shine to it. There's a little bit of a shine to it because it is so creamy, but it just looks so flawless and it feels very comfortable on the lips. So now we just have 2 more, so let's do 23. We then receive 2 more like we did earlier, which is the Express Eye Makeup Remover Wipes. With that being added, we now have a little collection of 4 makeup remover wipes. I'm kind of happy I got 2 more. I was kind of like, just 2 random makeup remover wipes. And then let's go on to the last day, which is down here. 1 more of these little Invisibobble type hair ties. This one is blue though. No glitter in this one, so now you have a set of 2, a clear and a blue. And that was it. Oh man, so the entire Castle Advent Calendar has been unboxed. Let's kind of do a little overview. Okay, so with the total kind of calculated up for what I was able to put a price tag to, I'll show you guys what I don't, which is this one single little body wash, this tiny little mirror, the little sticky notepad, the stickers, the little nail file that was made specifically for this collection as well, and then I couldn't find the specific Sephora collection one of these, so I was a little unsure what price to put these ones at with these out of the picture, and I have a total value of $87.40. Maybe with these items calculated in, it's looking more like $100 in the value, so if you spent $45, at least you know you're getting a return on your investment and getting a little bit more. Overall, I'd say this is not a bad advent calendar box, so if you're thinking about gifting it for someone else, now you know what to expect on the inside. There are some items that I'm just kind of like, we could have done without them, you know, being the random stickers, the little sticky notepad, pocket watch thing, and the like single little body wash. I think we could have done without those. But at least now you know what's inside the box, the overall value, the actual size of everything, so that way you know if it is really going to be worth it to you to purchase, to give to someone else, or give to yourself, who knows. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button. If there are any other Christmas collections, calendars, little bundles that you want me to test out or show you what's inside of, leave me that with a comment down below and I'll be happy to get to that. Subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!